sound my boy right. And y'all was talking all that too, huh? Y'all was talking all that too, huh? Yeah, wasn't even made for this frame. That exhaust wasn't even for that frame, man. I'm not even gonna say too much. But yeah, y'all already know what's about to go on. I'm ready to get some quick little seat time real quick. What happened with the chain? Chain just cooked itself. All right, new chain, more tension. Damn. It wasn't tight enough. God damn. Alright. Let's go home now. Oh yeah, this feel like factory shit. So we about to just go ahead and test it. Make sure my man bite good, because that wasn't even supposed to happen. Yeah. joint good now. See, I was trying to do some wheelies and all that, but I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I was scared of kind of like busting my ass like I did like the other day. Maybe I can see right here. And then, you know, this is my mad bike, so, you know, I'm not gonna drive it again. I already told him I dropped it once. But yeah, I mean, either way, he good. I built his shit, so. Yeah. This joint cool. This joint cool. Get it back in this truck. Man, you get the back in this joint. Yeah, it's a good bike though. Good street bike, man. Good street bike. Good street bike. Got some stuff coming for this one. Trust and believe that. I got some stuff coming for this one. And attention. Just know this one ready to be. Yeah. Ready to be doing that. Yeah, y'all. That was some cool little seat time with my man, John. I mean, you know, other than the chain coming off, cause tension was a little loose. But yeah, that's what happened, y'all. Make sure y'all change this tension, cause stuff like that can happen. But that was cool little video. That's all I got for y'all today. I got a part coming for that one, cause yeah, I should post that. Yeah, y'all gonna see a video before this one, before y'all watching this one anyway, about this one, you know, what I did with this one. You know, it looks so good, you know, it looks so fast and all that, right? But now the way I geared it, I was just experimenting. So I mean, it was a little quick, but I've been faster. So yeah, I know what to do now though. But yeah, so next time, yeah.